I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on location and allowing background location so the tracker can update reliably. Next, install the chosen phone tracker and sign in. Use the same account across devices to link them. Once installed, grant core permissions, location, storage, and notifications, and enable device admin only if the app requests it for remote commands. These steps let the app collect GPS points and survive power management. Once done, confirm the app shows a live location icon in the status bar. Now configure how the tracker gathers data. Choose an update interval that balances accuracy and battery life, 1 minute for real-time needs, 5 minutes for routine monitoring. Select accuracy mode. High uses GPS for precise coordinates, while balanced mixes Wi-Fi and cell to save power. Make sure to exempt the app from battery optimization so OS background limits don't pause location updates. Also turn on geofencing or movement alerts if you need notifications when a device enters. Finish by running a live test. Walk a short route and watch the map update to confirm accuracy and timing. Then review stored location history, set who can view it, and configure alert thresholds. If something goes wrong, first confirm permissions and that GPS and background data are enabled. Next, restart the device and the app and recheck battery optimization exemptions. If problems persist, toggle high accuracy off and on, or reinstall the app. These steps resolve most common tracking failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.